If you're a curly head that wants to get rid of your middle part, keep on watching.
Permanent middle part.
No part curly
without a part.
volume at the top of my hair, so I'm just.
I've always had a really harsh middle part, and I've always styled my hair to have like this really harsh middle part. And I've been seeing so many videos online and so many pictures of these gorgeous girls that are styling their curls to not have this like really harsh central middle part. And I've been dying to try it because honestly I have like all the tools, I have all the products, and I thought let me give it a go. And honestly, like, look at the results. I'm gonna talk you through everything that I did to not get a harsh middle part for curly hair and get this much volume, because I mean, look at it, it's literally, the hair is going up, it's looking beautiful, curly. The roots, my roots have never ever been this curly. So if you want to see what I did, then keep on watching. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed. I'm gonna section this front bit, which is the most important because this is where we style it in a specific way. And for this bottom section, I'm gonna separate this as well because I have a lot of hair. I'm gonna split this bottom one into two. Oh my god, they're already getting so dry. Let me wet these. Tangle teaser brush to brush and detangle wet hair. A hair gel. This is the Only Curls Enhancing Curl Gel. This is probably the best hair gel I've ever used. So this is 2 hair gels that you can use. I usually use this one. This is from Only Curls, and I managed to get £5 off for you guys. Any order off of Only Curls if you just use the code Chisada at checkout. And this is another gel that you can use. This is the Curlsmith Fragrance-Free Shine Jelly Frizz Control Lightweight. It's also really cool, but I'm gonna be using this one. Gel. Focus on the roots too. And now we're gonna come in with this Bounce Curl Define curly hair brush, which is like viral right now. Shake it a bit, and I'll scrunch it a tiny bit. See the difference? Like, it's crazy. Now let's do this side. Oh. And the back section is done, but I have a feeling that it looks a bit funny. Like if it looks like it's split in the middle, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna feel this middle section, take it, and restyle it. And this should fix it. Scrunch the whole thing and see how nice and curly it already is. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the other section. And I'm literally gonna be doing the same thing here. Split it into 2, wet this section, detangle it, gel. I'll be generous. Scrunch. Let's go to the next section. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the most important section, which is the top section. And this is going to be so weird for me because I never ever style my hair like this. If you know me, you know that I usually just do a harsh middle part and that's it. Like I start styling these 2 sides, but we're not gonna be doing this today. We wanna get rid of this really harsh part. Okay, I'm supposed to re-wet this whole thing. Detangle it. I'm supposed to be brushing it down. Like, this is crazy. I guess it's to make sure that there's gonna be enough volume. My hair is like literally brushed in the front. Now I'm supposed to take a bunch of gel and like glaze it all over the hair. There's a lot of hair. Okay, so now what I think I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to like take sections and use the hairbrush on them and then flip them. So something like this, and let it flip. Okay, ooh, that's quite a lot of volume. I think I took very wide sections. Okay. Doesn't even fit in the camera. Okay, so far this is how it's looking. Let me put a bit more water and gel in the front section because we need this front section to look really good. Oh, I literally got it in my eye. I feel like I made this way too wide, so let me section these off to the side. And then I'm just gonna have this front. This is messy. Section. And this should be like the last one. I mean, I guess. I don't even know. Did I do it right? Shake. Shake. And now I'm supposed to like scrunch that. I don't even know in what direction to scrunch it. I've never had to do this before. Some girls like put some claw clips in, but I already see the middle part forming and that's not what I want. This is gonna be hard. I can use like a claw clip to hold it up. I've seen some people do that. And I feel like if I use this claw clip, then it's not gonna like spread into the middle part. Okay, I mean, this is how it's looking now. I have like the claw clip here. The bottom section is like perfectly styled. So I'm gonna have to go diffuse and let's see the results when I come back. Scrunch the excess water out. I've heard that apparently this like cuts the time that it takes to dry your hair in like half, but not too much, right? Because then you don't want to remove all the gel. I'm gonna do low speed and low heat, and I'm slowly going to be increasing the speed and the heat as the hair is getting drier. And I'm mostly gonna be drying it upside down just because that's how I see all the girls do it when they try to avoid the middle part. So let's do that. Excuse me, but am I the only one that's seeing these results? My hair is not fully dry yet. It is about 60–70% dry. But look at this. I mean, I have not yet figured out how the middle part, or, you know, not the middle part is looking, but I am absolutely shocked at the results of this wash day and the results of this diffusing, because I don't normally diffuse for volume and for, you know, shrinkage. Oh, this one's a bit wonky, but I mean, look at these curls. This is the moment of truth. We're gonna see how the non-middle part is looking. Let's see what, okay, reveal time. Listen, the bad news, I guess, is that there still is some sort of parting, and it is quite like, at least this much of it is definitely my original middle part. It's kind of like a zigzaggy thing. I could like move these pieces around, I think, and make it look less harsh. Like maybe one here, one to the side. And it's definitely making my hair look square, which is what I usually try to avoid, because naturally my hair does grow up and then droops. So, I mean, I guess this is what you get when, you know, you dry your hair upside down and get that kind of like natural volume that you have, instead of drying it the way I usually do, which is down. But Okay, these are the results. I can't really say there's no middle part. But honestly, the curl at the root, I cannot get over how curly it is right at the root. I never really get such defined curls at the root. I mean, listen, there's definitely a part, right? But I feel like you can move it a lot easier to kind of minimize the look of a part. But I don't know, what do you guys think? Is this like a new look or something? Maybe I need to have more layers in my hair to be able to wear it like this, you know, and then it's gonna look nice and shapely rather than, I'm not really sure what shape this is. Okay guys, I just realized that I forgot to film an outro, but I wanted to show you another video of my results. This was when I was filming with my phone. After I fluffed the roots out a bit, I realized that the reason why my middle part was still so visible was because my hair was still a bit wet and I didn't properly like play around with these bits and, you know, moved one of them on like the left side and one of them on the right side. As you can see in the video, I'm doing it now. It's just like I was doing my best to make sure that there was no harsh middle part, that some bits would go on the right, some bits would go like kind of like a zigzaggy type of bit. And I really managed to, after properly fluffing the roots the way that I'm doing right now, as you can see, like giving it a bit of volume, I made it look completely, you know, no middle partish. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you next time. Bye.